We'll guide you through how to make a portfolio at Gamma site. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. People search for this tutorial because they want an easy way to create a professional portfolio without advanced design skills. Platforms like Gamma simplify the process using templates and AI. Many users, especially students, freelancers, and job seekers, need portfolios to showcase their work, attract clients, or improve their chances in job applications quickly and efficiently. To make a portfolio on the Gamma site, first open your web browser by clicking the Start button on your computer and selecting Google Chrome or any browser you prefer. Next, click on the search bar, type 𝗕𝘂𝘀𝗶𝗶𝗀𝗀, and press Enter on your keyboard to visit the website. Once the site loads, locate and click the Start for Free button displayed on the screen to begin. After that, choose Continue with Google or enter your email and password, then click Continue to access your account and proceed to the dashboard. When you are inside the dashboard, move your cursor to the Create New button and click it to start a new project. A menu will appear, and you should select Create from Template so you can build your portfolio using the available AI templates. In the search bar within the template menu, type Portfolio and wait for all relevant portfolio templates to appear on the screen. Once the templates are visible, click View Template on one that matches your style or preference. Then, click Edit a Copy to begin customizing your selected portfolio. After entering the editor, click on the text areas and type your name or brand to personalize the content. Continue by entering your personal information in the About Me section to introduce yourself. You can also upload images to your portfolio to make it more engaging and visually appealing. Make sure you edit your project title by clicking on the text and replacing it with your own title. When you have finished editing everything, click the Share button located at the top right corner, then choose Export from the options provided. Finally, select Export as PowerPoint so you can save your portfolio and edit it again in the future if needed. Before closing the file, review each section carefully to ensure all text, images, and layouts are correct and consistent with your intended presentation style.